Binary search tree. Given the root of a binary tree, determine if it is a valid binary search tree, a BST. A valid BST is defined as follows. The left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys less than the node's key. And the right subtree of a node contains only the nodes with keys greater than the node's key. Both the left and the right subtrees must also be such binary search trees. So in this example, our left child of this node is less than its, and this one, which missed this one, and the right child of this node, of the root node, also missed this, which makes it meet both conditions, which makes it true for binary search. So in this one, our root node is 5, which has a left child which is lower than it. So that makes it this one meet this condition, the left condition, and this one is false because this one is less than it, than our root node. So since this one is not greater than 5, it makes the tree not a binary search tree because it doesn't meet both conditions. All the whole tree, in the whole tree, the left child has to be smaller than its node parent child, than its parent's node value, and the right child's value has to be greater than its parent child's value. So we can solve this recursively. We can solve this recursively. Let's make our base case. If let's make a helper. Let's use a helper. Function def. Let's name it is it valid, and let's copy and paste what we need to so that we keep this in mind. So you have to determine if it's a binary search tree. So now let's put our node dot low and high. We'll use these soon. So our base case is if node is none. If there's no node, then it is a binary search tree. True. Now what do we do now? So if node is none, so now let's check what makes it not a binary search tree. What makes it false? So if not node the var, so if not node the var is greater than low, if not the var is not greater than low, and know the var is less than or high. So if not high, no. Return false. So these two conditions are what are here. If they're not met, by not here, then we will get a false. So now the val greater than low, or you can just switch this and put low less than another val. So now let's define our, let's assign our recursive function to our variables. Subtree equals to let's call on itself is it valid, and then put in, hold on, I'll just wait until we set up the other variables. So note that right subtree, these things are subtree equals to is it valid, and then what's next? Return. I'll wait for that. I'll wait until. So now let's set what we're going to put in here. So let's go outside of this function, of our helper function, and go and call our helper function inside our is it valid function. So let's call it return is it valid, is it valid, and then put in the root, and then so the lowest possible value will be float string inf, and also the highest one float the inf. So now let's see how we're going to do this. So our root node is this, our lowest possible value, right possible value. So we're going to put in our, so we're going to go to our left node for the left subtree left node, and then which one for our left subtree we want to check if our left node is lower. Our left node should be lower, so let's put low here, and then our node val. So then let's move to this one, node dot right, and our node val has to be less than, so we'll take place over here, and then node val, and then high is over here. The low one is here. The highest one is here. So the high value should be here and low value here. So for example, when we do start with this, to check it against, it will be automatically true if you only have one node here, root node. To check against, it will meet all these. So now let's try to return our Boolean function. So left dot subtree is and override sub3 return boolean loop down through if all if BFD is met. Failing to meet valid BSD criteria. So now we have this. Good. Let's submit it. Hopefully there's no syntax errors to fix. Oh, there is. Still another one. Right sub3. What's up? Right. Boom. Oh yes, all of them have been met. No, these two cases have been met. Let's submit it and see if it will pass all cases. Boom, and it's been able to pass all cases. So now let's look at our time and space complexity. Time complexity is of n every node gets visited. Every node is visited once. Our space complexity is depending on the three types. Space complexity depends on three. No. Our space complexity, yes, depends on three. O of H being height in scaled 3 is it is open in balance 3 it is O of log n. And that's it for this one.